Okay, for this part, I'm going to go ahead and use my V chisel and my just like I did for this teardrop, and I'm going to get these down. But we're going to, through the magic of video, we are going to speed this up and let's just let you watch, and I'll get this down into this star part here, kind of like that. But we'll speed it up so it's not so boring. I'm going so slow when I'm trying to teach. It doesn't really go quite that slow. But anyway, here we go. I'm gonna V chisel around this thing. we've got it basically down about like we had that. I probably I'm a little deeper here than I am here. Um, I'm struggling with being able to do it in a way that doesn't just take forever and bore everybody. I mean, this is what we're trying to do is just get these all roughed out to the size and everything we do, and we're gonna hopefully make them look pretty after we get all the rough sizes down. I actually feel like I want to take this deeper, but just even sped up, I don't know how much time it's going to take, and I just don't want it to just be totally boring. So anyway, I'm going to cut this off right now and see what we got, and we'll come back. Okay, off camera, I went ahead and smoothed out these edges just a little bit more. Um, and around here, I took just slightly deeper, but it occurred to me that to make this more interesting for me to carve and everything, I might connect all these little chevrons with a lower band of stuff here, and I'm not gonna do that on camera. And if I'll just do that by myself. And if it turns out and starts looking like something, I'll come back on one of these other pieces of star and show what I did. But that's what we're shooting for now. And let me just try this on my own and see what it looks like, and then I'll catch you on the next video.